Hey, Joe and Sue's Off-Grid Adventure here. Back in August, we had a major rainstorm where we received more than 4 inches of rain in about an hour. It caused washouts all around our area, to the highway, to many side roads and country roads, as well as to our own private road where these pictures were taken from. This is our own private shared road. There's about 9 of us back in here, and we needed to get this filled in quick with the help of our neighbors because some of them had to leave to go back to work the next day. We filled it in with rocks from our properties and then with sand. As you can see, the creek was overflowing its banks. Our bridge, which was upstream about 100 meters, came all the way down this and around the corner here. It was quite the intense rainstorm. Haven't seen anything like that in a long time. We weren't the only ones to receive this amount of rainfall. Lots of other areas did too, and they had washouts and flooding as well. But with the help of our neighbors, we had the road filled back in and everybody was able to get out safely. Now our bridge, we went down once the water went down, and with our daughter, and took it all apart. It was screwed together. Now, of course, if anybody's ever tried to take a screw out, most of them strip and broke. But we took the bridge apart and dragged it upstream. These were 2x8 rough cut pieces of wood that were about 6 feet wide, and the beams underneath it were 8x8s that were about 20 feet long. So this was not a light bridge. So for it to go downstream and around the corner like that before it got hung up on a tree, it was quite the intense flood, as you could see from the pictures. All right, please hit subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.